Hello guys, today I am showing you how to add product on your WooCommerce store. At first you have to add some categories, so we have to drag our mouse on product, then you have to click on categories. Here we can enter categories like that. If we add living room, now if we want to add subcategory of living room, then you have to click on parent category, select our category, then you can write your furniture. Yeah, you can add more categories. Now if you want to add subcategories of your furniture, then you have to select the furniture, and here you can write another category, add sofa, chair. Now you have to click on add new to add new product. Here will be the product title. Here will be the long description of our product, like if we add some dummy text. Here we can write like Microsoft Word. We can bold our text, we can change size of our text, we can change the style, we can make it center, left, right, anything. We can add images here, anything. And from right side, from category section, we have to select category. We are selecting category sofa. Here the product image, we have to upload our product main image. We can upload product image from our computer like that. I'm uploading images from here. If you want to add more images, then click here, add product gallery image, then you can select more images. And from here we have to select simple product. Here we can put our price, $2. If you want to give any discount, then you can write here the discount price, then go to inventory section. Here you can write one unique number for identification. We can manage the stock, then you have to click here. We can set how many products you have, you can set here, and you can select some option. After finish 50 product, user can buy product or not. You can set here don't allow but notify customer. I'm selecting the don't allow. Then go to shipping. Here you can weight of your sofa. Here you can add length. Then just simply publish. If we click on here, we can see our product. Here is product is coming. You can change images, see one by one. Here is our long description. You can click on additional information. Here you can see the weight, kgs. Here it's showing the 50 because we set 50, and the price Here we set regular price 190, it's showing 190, and we set the sale price 180, that's it's showing cross and it's showing 180. Now I will show you how to add variable product. Variable product means in one product you can see there are many options. There are some product you can select colors, you can select materials, anything. So I'm showing you how to set variation. So at first we have to go on attributes. Here we can set attributes like we can set size or seater. We can select like color. Here you can select some option, color, label, image. You can like if you select image, then add attributes, add fiber color. You can select color or image, anything. Fiber color. You can set seater. Simply you can select label, attributes, on color we can green, you can upload green, you can upload image for that, and you can ash, add red. So here we can upload red image, then add color. Again we are going to attribute section. Here we configure our fiber color. Set the ash. And here we can select our color. The red, you can select red color from here. You can set seater, then you have to click on configure items, seater, then add 1, 2. So now we again go to the add new product. Let me find some images for that sample. Let's see. Now we set the variable product. Variable product. Here we have to select the variable product. Add same like some images. Select category sofa. Add it. We are adding a dummy image from here. You can add. Now we have to go on attribute section, select custom attribute, we select seater. Here we select even save attributes. We also use the fiber color, then add, select all, this for variation, the color, add, you want to add small color, then select all, this for variation, then go to the variation, add variation, add one seater, ash color, Then you can add one image for one seater. Like that you add text color. You can put $100. You can add again one more variation. Then you can add one seater. You can use red color. Then you can sorry. Here we can set red color, one seater, and select another image for that. Add more variation. Select two seater, dash, or you can set price 190. Again we will add variation. Select two seater, select color red, set price 195. Then just simply click on publish. Now if we open our product, there we can see there is some option. Seater 1, select color, changing, select two seater, color, set here, then you change the images. That's it.